Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of boot up. You click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about boot and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. And then you will enter to the window or how to then you can go to the window of storage. And here you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.